Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a quick but comprehensive comparison between Notion AI and ChatGPT. If you're wondering which AI tool suits your needs better, stick around as we cover up their user experience, features, language models, versatility, and pricing. So, let's get into it. Starting with the user interface. Notion AI integrates directly into the Notion workspace. This setup is perfect for those who use Notion for organizing projects, tasks, or notes. It keeps everything in one place, no hassle. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a standalone platform. It's incredibly easy to use across multiple applications, making it more versatile. If you don't want to be confined to a single ecosystem, ChatGPT is for you. When it comes to features, both tools pack a punch. They handle tasks like generating content, grammar checks, and even coding help. However, Notion AI shines for project management and productivity within Notion, while ChatGPT is better for a broader range of creative and problem-solving tasks outside or of any specific app. Now, let's talk about the language model. Both Notion AI and ChatGPT are powered by OpenAI's GPT-3. This means their language capabilities are incredibly similar, delivering high-quality text generations and natural language understanding. The key difference is how each tool leverages GPT-3. Obviously, Notion AI is optimized for enhancing productivity within structured environments, while ChatGPT offers a more open-ended, adaptable experience. Talking about the versatility, both AI tools are versatile, but they excel in different areas. If you need an AI assistant that seamlessly blends into a structured workplace, Notion AI is your pick. But for a flexible experience that works across various apps, ChatGPT is the better option. The shared GPT-3 foundation ensures robust performance in either case. Finally, let's discuss about the pricing. ChatGPT offers a free version, which is great if you're looking to save some cash. Notion AI, however, is a paid feature, running about $8 to $10 per user per month. If you're already invested in Notion, that might be worth it. Otherwise, ChatGPT's free version is a solid choice because both of these language model is actually said GPT-3. Both of them uses the GPT-3. So, which one should you choose? If Notion is already a central of your workflow, Notion AI is a valuable upgrade. But if you want flexibility or need to work across different platforms, ChatGPT might be the better fit. Let me know in the comments which one works for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.